Hi, welcome back to the Treehouse Classroom. I'm Allison, and today's classroom is our yard where we put on a little field day for the end of our school year. You got it! Good job! There you go.
Here, hold you. I got you. I got you. I did it.
It doesn't take a lot to get out a few jump ropes, get some tape measures out, and start calculating your best record. And don't let the kids do it alone. Be sure and participate yourself.
Oh! Right into the garage. Nope, 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 nope.
Oh.
I lost.
Two. I win!
It was a tie.
When I was my boys' age, field day was always a really exciting event to me. I couldn't wait to compete with my friends and try to do better than I'd ever done before in all the sporting events. Well, my kids are just as inspired to compete with their friends and classmates. And yes, even homeschool kids can participate in field day. Now, everybody is homeschooled, right, during the COVID-19 quarantine. So we hope that everyone watching will find a way to participate in field day for your kids. The way we're doing field day this year is to invite our friends via Facebook. We're putting our results online and seeing who can match them or surpass them. And of course, it doesn't all have to be competition. We hope we'll just get some of our friends out there to have some fun running and jumping and doing pull-ups and push-ups and all the other things that they can think of to participate in field day. Now, of course, everything we do in the Treehouse Classroom is with the mission of finding something true, good, and beautiful in all that we do. And today, in this field day event, we are trying to find something true, good, and beautiful here too. And of course, there's a lot of beauty in what the human body can do. The Bible tells us that our bodies are fearfully and wonderfully made, and what better way for your kids to understand that concept than to show them what they can do. It doesn't have to be better than everybody else, but it can be fascinating to them to realize that they can jump farther than they really ever realized, or that they can run faster than they could the year before. So point that out to them. Make sure they see that truth, find the beauty in it, and see that it is good. Thanks for joining us today in the Treehouse Classroom. We hope you'll come back again next time to see what's going on in the Treehouse Classroom.